The nomenclature for forehead lift, brow lift, and temporal lift is very confusing, so I like to clear that out. First of all, forehead lift and brow lift can be used interchangeably, but actually, all forehead lift surgeries are brow lift surgeries, but not all brow lift surgeries are forehead lift surgeries. And another confusing term is temporal lift. First of all, temporal lift and temporal facelifts are completely different terms. Temporal lift is the lift of this region, the side of the brow, and the temporal region, this region. So when we say temporal lift, is the lift of this part and the side of the brow. So in conclusion, brow lift is this, temporal lift is this, and the forehead lift is this. So after brow lift, forehead lift, or temporal lift surgeries, generally we advise the patient to stay in Turkey 3 days after the surgery. But if there is any combination with facelift or other surgeries, of course, the stay should be longer. So after brow lift surgery, the precautions are actually very easy. We advise to use ice bags and also not to touch the brow area for a month. So after brow lift surgery, the swellings or the bruises may last 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the technique though. In gliding brow lift, it's less than 2 weeks. And I believe that the gliding brow lift yields the fastest recovery.